Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Google Chrome in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type control panel, open it. Here select programs, programs and features, and here we will be having Google Chrome. Right click and select uninstall. Click on yes, and if you want you can just check this and select uninstall. So after it is uninstalled, you won't be having Google Chrome in control panel. And next we need to check if we have any unused folders. So for that, just go to search and type for run, open the system run, and here you need to just search for %app data % and click on OK. And we'll be taken to this app data roaming folder. Just click on app data and just basically check if you have any folder named Google. If you have any folder named Google, go inside that and delete the Chrome folder. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.